Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing the system up to date and clearing basic bottlenecks. Install Windows updates and driver patches now, because performance gains come from current firmware and fixes. Free at least 15% of your boot drive, move big media to an external or cloud. Open Task Manager, go to Startup, and disable non-essential apps. Once done, enable fast startup only on HDD systems to reduce boot time. These first steps remove software friction and set a clean baseline for deeper tuning. Now you execute the more technical optimizations that really change responsiveness. Confirm trim is enabled for SSDs and run optimized drives. Check Smart Health for drives showing delays. Adjust the power plan to high performance or balanced, set maximum processor state to 99% to prevent turbo lockout, and disable CPU limiting background tasks. Then, reduce visual overhead, turn off animations and unnecessary indexing scopes, and lock down background apps and privacy telemetry. These steps lower latency and keep CPU, disk. Finish by removing residual clutter and preparing recovery options. Uninstall vendor bloatware, run disk cleanup, and enable Storage Sense to automate temporary file removal. If performance problems persist, plan a clean install or Windows reset. Make a full backup before you start. Finally, if something breaks, boot to safe mode to test, use Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor to find crashes or driver faults, and roll back or update the offending driver. This closes the loop. Clean system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.